Your sprinkler system is working perfectly, your lawn looks great, but guess what? It's time to drain your sprinkler system. Why is that? Because this happens. I'll show you how to drain your sprinkler system quickly and efficiently. Most people think that simply shutting off the clock will work, but that's not necessarily true. This only turns off the clock. It does not drain the sprinkler system. So you'll have to grab a bucket and a flathead screwdriver and go outside and find the backflow. This is the most common type of backflow. You may also have a reduced pressure backflow. You may find that your backflow has black plastic caps over the test ports. Remove those. Then, using a flathead screwdriver, turn the screws or ball valves to 45 degrees. Doing this before shutting it off inside allows you to drain it much faster. Make sure that you've turned all of them. This device has 2 test ports. This reduced pressure backflow has 4 test ports. Inside the house, identify the water supply for the sprinkler system and shut it off. There are different types of valves that shut off the sprinkler system. This one is a ball valve that tells you when it's on or off. This one is a gate valve. This needs twisted all the way to the right to be completely shut off. There should be a drain after the valve that shuts the system off. Open this up all the way. This will allow the water from the backflow towards the inside of the house to drain completely. After it is completely drained, you may have about a gallon of water or so. You can take it outside and put it on a tree or a bush, or you can simply put it down the drain. You may leave your sprinkler clock turned on, or go outside and find the valve boxes. Once you open them, you'll see the valves inside. Turn the solenoid around halfway or 180 degrees to leave it on. Find every valve box in your yard. Then you can open every valve you have to let each one of them drain separately. Well, I hope this video has been helpful, and if you like it, let me know. We'll look forward to seeing you in the next one, and until then, let's get back to work.